Hi, I'm Daniel from the team behind the Timetracker app. In this video, I'm going to show you use cases that are now available with our new timesheet report type. As you can see, the new timesheet report is available in public beta until September, where we are planning to release it officially and also retire the old timesheet. With these changes, we wanted to make sure that your transition will be easy. That is why I'm making this video with the new use cases, and also I'm going to make another video which shows you how you can redo the familiar report types of the old timesheet report with the new timesheet report. I hope this video will be useful for you. Let's jump into the use cases. In this use case, I'm going to show you an example of how you can check how your users are spending their times between issues and also with parents. So let me run the report for last month. I'm going to remove the project and I'm going to move the workload author to be the first level. And if you collapse the workload author column, then you can see a summary of all logged time. If you expand it but collapse the issues, then you have a more detailed breakdown of time spent per issues, and you can also collapse the parents for a better overview. In the following two use cases, I'm going to show you reports related to customers. First, let me show you a report that shows the time spent per customer. To do this, I'm going to add the custom field, which is called customer, that has been previously created. And reminder, this is a custom field inside Jira. And I'm going to move that to be the first column. And I'm going to collapse the columns for it to show you summaries. So right now you see the employees working for the customer. And right now you only see the customers, and here are the summaries. Next, let me switch to a different type of report related to customers. I'm going to remove the workload author. You can also do that here as seen here. I'm going to add another custom field called invoice number. And I'm going to add another field which is billable, non-billable. It's not a custom field, it's a field that comes with our app Timetracker, and you can set them up in the workload editor to mark workloads as billable or non-billable. Okay, let me also collapse this column. So right now you see the customers and how many hours are billed for them, depending on each individual invoice. And if you switch the order, then you can have a summary of the total billable hour that has been worked for these two companies. And if you open it, you can also see the individual invoices. Now, in this use case, I will show you how you can use the timesheet report with advanced roadmaps, also known as plans. Plans is available in Jira's Enterprise and Premium subscriptions, and it lets you plan on advanced hierarchies, so above an epic. To show you this use case now, I want to show you first how the hierarchy levels are set up. So right now you can see that issue type hierarchy is set on these levels. The highest one is team, then initiative, then epic, and then story, and then subtask. And if you don't know, you can access these in the issue type settings of your Jira when you have the advanced roadmaps or plans. And now let me go back to the timesheet, last month and the new timesheet. And now I will add these levels that you have seen before. So level 2, level 1, level 3, I can remove the issue and the parent and the project, and also the story. And now I will change the order. And now, as you can see, here is the breakdown all the way up to team. And as always, you can also always collapse each levels depending on your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please remember that we have more tutorials on our YouTube channel. Feel free to check those out.